I'm 100% sure that you would have heard about online job frauds, friendship tip frauds, and dating scams. Now let us look at each of them in detail. I'll give you certain scenarios and I'll explain you the red flags as well. Please pay attention. Lucky champ, you got a job offer. Now note the keyword which I am narrating. Eased eligibility or selection criteria, interview with chat messenger, adjustable timing, work from home, part-time online job, spelling and grammatical errors. Please note, offer letter sent via personal email ID like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. Great salary, $150 per hour. Assume that you work for 5 hours a day. You make about $750 a day and about $22,500 a month. Sounds great. Caution, the fraudster is setting up the ground to cheat you. Now let me narrate a short story for you to understand this. ABC LLC, a fake company, advertises a job opening on their recently designed, professionally looking website. The email ID used is abchr@gmail.com. The email is sent to 20,000 random email addresses and there are about 1,000 responses which comes back. Now the fraudster will trick them with offer letters, original looking documents and legal agreement and job contracts. Gradually they will start charging small verification fees, short grooming tutorial fees or clearance certificate fees and so on. Note, malicious hackers also top the Google search ranking with their malicious advertisement for the government jobs and online job offers. The main motive for them is money. Please note some of the important points. Never apply for online job on a non-legitimate company or a government website. Check for spelling errors. The e-selection process or the easy selection process could be tricky to lure you. Job providers, the legitimate ones, will never take money from you or any type of processing fees. They get paid by the recruiter. Also, it is important to avoid greed. Never trust a scanned copy of offer letter or job contracts or agreement. Always pay attention to email ID from which the email is sent. Now I will give you a small scenario of a friendship club fraud. This is most common among the business class people and the salaried class because they either have lot of money or they make lot of money. Many of the married, unmarried and busy business class people are their main target. They promise to offer you few contacts with whom you can chat and get into physical relationship. They are set to defraud you. Regardless of their claim and guarantee for a good contacts, they are a bunch of smarties to steal your money. So stay safe and please don't be a victim.